it's Allie. Welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how to get this little braid. It is a faux French braid. I'm not a braider. I'm not good at it. And so I used to do this for like track meets and softball games. I'm going to show you how to get the look of a French braid without doing like an actual legit French braid. So if you want to learn how, then just keep on watching. Like I said, I'm not like a braid expert, so that's why I'm making this as foolproof as possible. So first I'm just going to brush out my hair and make sure that it's tangle free. All right, now that everything's brushed out, I'm going to use the Beach Waver Braid Balm. So this is a pre-braid prep, and you just pump it out and apply from root to tip. I'm just gonna apply on the ends, and this just makes your hair like frizz-free, makes your hair easier to work with. All right, so you're gonna take that first section of hair that you're gonna be using for like that front braid. You can, if you want, take the scrunchie and keep the rest of your hair to the back so it doesn't get like in your way. Here's my hack. So I've been like doing this like fake French braid since like high school, because for my softball games, for my track meets, for cross country meets, I would always braid my hair. But in my like fake French braid. So you're gonna do like you would a normal braid and take 3 strands, and you can cross them over. I like to cross them over like once as a normal braid, and then take a front piece, cross it back, grab some from the middle piece, and then don't do anything to the back piece. That's like my hack. So it's just like quicker and easier. You don't have to worry about like all 3 pieces, you know what I mean? So then take the front piece, because all you want is that front like look of it kind of framing your face like a little crown. Take the back piece, grab the middle, keep on going. Then once you get like all the way to your ear and there's no more to grab in the front, continue as you would a normal braid. And it can be messy, because the messier the braid, like I feel like the cuter it is. Then take another scrunchie and scrunchie that puppy up. Let it sit while you do the rest of your hair. Okay, toss that back, take the rest of the hair. Now it's time to do this side. Take the front section. And this side doesn't have as much hair because I part mine to that side pretty much. Take 3 sections and grab the front. Back. Once you get to your ear and there's no more front hair to grab, just make a normal braid, scrunchie. Okay, so we're gonna take all the hair over here, because we're gonna do like a side braid. Take this one out of its braid and then just section your hair like a normal braid. And I'm gonna pull this one front first just so it's tight, because it has to wrap all the way around. Then pull that one back and just do your braid. If you want, you can put it in a scrunchie just because scrunchies are cute, or you can put it, I wish I had one of those little like clear elastics, but I have just a blonde hair tie, so it kind of matches my hair. And that's it. Literally a braid for total beginners, because I'm not a braider. I don't know how to braid. I know how to braid, but like French braid and stuff like that. All right, so I hope you guys enjoyed this super easy beginner braid situation. Make sure to check out the Beach Waver products that I used. I love this braid balm because sometimes when you do a braid, your split ends kind of show themselves, and this just keeps it like frizz-free. The brush, I love it. It is so gentle on your hair and just detangles really quickly. And the scrunchies that I used are super cute, and they're also from the Beach Waver. So check those puppies out, and until next time, see you guys soon.